La caca.
Young man, you are frustrated. Your wife is about to leave you. Hey, prophet, it's true. She no get ringing too. Hey. Salilo. Your problem is over. Say amen. Amen. Yeah. Bring your wife to me.
I bring her to you.
The spirits will talk to her on how to respond when you are sexing her. Say amen. Say amen. Your problems are over.
My problem is over.
Go and bring her, and the spirit will direct her on how to shout. Have a very sexy, aromantic ringing tune, such like. Easy. Maybe coming out. Baby, harder. You'll be hearing it when the spirit will be doing it. You'll be hearing it. Don't bring her. Bring her.
You go to them.
Just go.
Okay, let me come bring her.
Go and bring.
Don't worry, I'm bringing her
to my house.
Shut now.
La caca.
Look at her.
Come on. You are the wife.
Yeah. Follow me. Follow him now, fast. Now be fast. Follow him.
Say they wise.
Follow. Don't worry. Don't
worry. The time of the spirit.
Follow him.
Come.
Oh, I don't follow you.
Don't come. Just be calm. Wait.
You think they wise?
Just the listen. You're gonna hear the kind of sound what the spirit go to give and when go to give you when they sex am.
You can do what you want to do.
La caca.
You are a failure. You can never make it.
Young man, do you like this sound?
Oh, yes, I like it, but let it be more. Add more. Like,
I should add more.
Increase the volume. Increase it.
Think they wise. Woman.
Do you like this one?
Prophet, yes, it's better. It's getting better
The
now.
spirit is getting weak. Oh.
No, Prophet, no, don't get weak, please. The sound is
Which
okay.
one do you really like?
Let it be more than this. More. Yeah, more.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Prophet, what happened?
You go like this one?
Huh? Prophet, no, nah. The thing is,
No, the spirit don't tire.
no, nah, Prophet. Let it be more now. The sound is getting better. It's not better yet, but it's getting better.
You want to kill the spirit?
Prophet, no, nah. You're the spirit now. So what's that? Do it that more.
No, the spirit don't go.
Prophet, no, nah, no.
No, you manage that sound.
Prophet.
I think. Go carry your wife.
Prophet, are you going?
The spirit is going.